All right, guys, we're here in a 2004 armored truck, looking at this column, looking at the vents, controls, radio, AC controls, a cluster. I go by F-150. It's definitely Ford-based. It's an 04. I haven't really checked out the VIN, but I'm going to go under F-150 and see what happens. We'll see if we connect here. Does have an OBD plug underneath. Ignition's on. All right, let's try to add here. Let's see how many keys are in it. 2 keys programmed. Add a key. Got a security light right here too. 3 keys programmed. Okay. We're gonna do another one, but we're gonna wait a sec. Watch our security light here. And that's it. And I'll put pictures of the armored truck in as well. Thanks for watching, guys.